In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an employee to Vagaro so they're fully set up and ready to go in your account. We'll move through each screen together at a comfortable pace, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to enter, and what each option actually means for your business. Let's start from your main Vagaro dashboard. From here, look for the settings option. This is where most of your business configuration lives. Once you're in settings, find and select employee profiles. This is the area where all of your staff members are listed and managed. Think of it as your master list of everyone who works in your business. On the employee profiles page, you'll see any staff you've already added. To create a new one, click the Add Employee button. This is your starting point for setting up someone new in the system. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can enter the basic information for the employee. Begin by typing in their first name and last name. Try to use the name your staff member is known by professionally, since this may appear on the calendar and booking screens that clients see. Next, you'll enter their email address. This should be a current, active email that they have access to. Vagaro uses this email to send important information like login details, notifications, and password resets. If you're not sure which email they prefer to use for work, it's a good idea to confirm that with them ahead of time. Take a moment to double check for typos before moving on, because an incorrect email can cause issues later with logging in. After you've filled in the basic info, you'll choose the employee type. This step is important because it controls what this person can do in your system. You'll see options such as service provider, admin with calendar, or account admin. If the person will be offering services to clients like a stylist, therapist, or technician, you'll typically choose service provider. This allows them to appear on the booking screen so clients and front desk staff can schedule appointments with them. Admin with calendar is a good choice for someone who helps manage the schedule but may or may not provide services. They can see and manage calendars, but they don't have full control over every setting in the account. Account admin is the highest level. This role usually goes to an owner or manager who needs full access to settings, billing, and all account configurations. Be selective with this option since it gives broad authority over your Vagaro account. Once you've picked the most appropriate employee type, click Next to move to the hours screen. Here, you'll set up their weekly schedule. This tells Vagaro when this employee is available for appointments. Go through each day of the week and adjust the start and end times based on when they actually work. If they have specific days off, make sure those days are marked as unavailable. Take a moment to think about breaks, shift patterns, or part-time schedules. Setting this up correctly now helps prevent double booking and confusion later. When you're satisfied with the information and their hours, the final step is to save. Click the Save button to confirm all your changes. Vagaro will now add this new employee to your employee profiles list, and they'll be available according to the schedule and role you've just set. That's all it takes to add an employee to Vagaro, from navigating to settings to saving their details and hours.